How to use a Westinghouse Induction Cooktop. Here's how to get started. First, place the cooktop on a flat surface and plug it into a power outlet. Use only induction-compatible cookware. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your pot or pan, it's good to go. Turn on the cooktop using the power button. Place your cookware in the center of the cooking zone. Then use the control panel to select your heat level or cooking mode. You can choose preset options like boil, fry, simmer, or keep warm, or manually adjust the temperature for full control. Induction heats the pan directly, so it's faster and more efficient than gas or electric. To avoid burning food, always preheat for a few seconds before adding ingredients. And never run the cooktop without a pan on it. Most models will shut off automatically if no cookware is detected. After cooking, turn off the power and let the cooktop cool down. Wipe the surface with a soft, damp cloth. There are no open flames or hot coils, so it's safer and easier to clean. Thanks for watching.